Hi and welcome to Knowledge. Today we shall continue with exercise number 3.4 from chapter number 3, pair of linear equations and two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We are in the second question now. We are asked to find the pair of linear equations and find their solutions using elimination method. We are in the fourth part. So the question says, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Here the notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 is the denominations that she received. And it is also said that she has taken 25 notes in all. Okay, so we actually don't know the number of notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So we have to let the number of rupees 50 as X and let the number of rupees 100 as Y. But we know that she has taken 25 notes in all. So if she has taken 25 notes, this includes rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes, right? And we have also, since we don't know the number of notes she received, we have named the number of 50 rupees notes as X and the number of 100 rupees notes as Y. So X plus Y will totally give you 25 notes. So this is the number of 50 rupees notes and this is the number of 100 rupees notes. In total she has got 25 notes. So this makes your first equation. And then now here it is said that she has taken totally 2000 rupees, which includes 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. See, if you want to take rupees 100 from your bank and you want 50 rupees notes, then the bank will give you two 50 rupees notes for 100, right? So the amount you want to receive, the 50 rupees into 2 will give you 100. So 50 rupees notes into the number of notes will give you the total. Same way here, she wants to take rupees 2000 and she will be taking rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes. So rupees 50, but we don't know the number of notes here. Like here we will be given two 50 rupees notes, like here we don't know what is the number of notes, 50 rupees notes she will be getting, but we have taken the number, we have assumed the number as X. So into X plus 100 rupees notes she will be taking and we don't know the number, so we have let it as Y. So into Y. Okay, now here 50 into X is 50X plus 100 into Y is 100Y will give you 2000. Now this is your second equation. So let's write it over here. Your second equation is 50X plus 100Y is equal to 2000. But before we take it as a second equation, we need to do something, that this is in a bit elaborate form. So we need to simplify this equation so that it gets easier for us to solve this. So what we need to do is we can take a common number and divide all the three terms. So the least common number I can take here is 50. So let's divide this equation by 50 to simplify this, and then we will take that as a second equation. So dividing this by 50. So dividing this by 50, this will give you 50 divided by 50 is 1x plus 50 into 2 will give you 100. So 2y is equal to 50 into 40 will give you 2000. So 40. This will be your second equation. Got it? You will divide the first equation by 50, which will give you the answer as 1x plus 2y is equal to 40. Now I will write it here neatly. X plus y is equal to 25 is your first equation, and x plus 2y is equal to 40 will be your second equation. Now we need to see whether we have to add or subtract these equations to eliminate the variable. We have decided to eliminate this variable, x variable, because this has a common coefficient. This is 1x and this is 1x. Instead of taking this is 1y and this is 2y, instead of multiplying this with 2 and then cancelling this, we can directly cancel this. So let's eliminate x variable. Now you can see here that the signs for both the variables here is equal. Both has a plus sign. So if we put a minus sign here, then plus and minus will cancel this variable. So we need to subtract these equations. So let's write it over here. By subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. Your equation number 2 is x plus 2y is equal to 40, and your equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 25. Now before subtracting, we have to change the sign for all the three terms in the second equation. So let's change this into minus x, and this becomes minus y, and this becomes minus 25. Now plus and minus is minus, so 1x minus 1x is 0. So this is cancelled now. So 2 minus 1y is 2y minus 1y is 1y, and 40 minus 25 is 15. Y is equal to 15 divided by 1 will give you 15. So y is equal to 15. This is your value for y. Then now let's substitute this value in equation number 1. Substitute y is equal to 15 in equation number 1. Your first equation is this. So x plus y is equal to 25. Now x remains the same, plus y, in place of y let's replace 15 is equal to 25. Now x is equal to 25 plus 15 from the left hand side moves to the right hand side, becomes minus 15. X is equal to 25 minus 15 is 10. The sign from the greater number is plus, so it's plus 10. This is your value for x. Now we have let the number of 50 rupees notes as x and the number of 100 rupees notes as y. So let's write the final answer. The number of rupees 50 notes is x, it is 10, and the number of rupees 100 notes is 50. Y is 15. So this is your final answer. Okay. So for an easy learning experience like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it to your friends so they also benefit out of this. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.